Today we're going to make like a opium, destroy lonely, dumb corleo type of beat all from scratch inside of FL Studio. So let's just dive right into it. I'm going to start off by using this sound right here. Bro, we're making this so fast, bro. It's crazy. What I want to add right now is like a vocal and like some vocal chops in there just to like add like some vibes to it. And then I think I'm going to make like a switch up with the drums. And then that's it, bro. Like super easy. We made that in 8 minutes, bro. That's crazy to me. Right here, I want like a switch up with the 808. Let's take this one. that shit go crazy. I love how the beat turned out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Also, all the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description, so feel free to check that out on astrosample.com. I'm also active on social media as well as Kind of Beats. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.